I can't even believe this is real, but does saying, hey, this is a cold call, want to hang up or give me 30 seconds of your time actually work?
Oh, it's real.
I mean,
There's
have
some
no
garbage
words
out
for
there.
this.
Here you go. Independent third party, not in the corporate world. Are you a sales coach, Heather?
No,
Do you buy stuff for a living?
always.
Right. Was that gross or a turnoff to
That's basically
you?
my job, is to buy things.
Thank you. I'll hand you the credit card. Yeah, it's basically your job, and that would turn you off. It is gross. It's disgusting. And it's, again, this is from that culture of like, I just want to book meetings. I want to keep people on the phone. You're not adding any value. Like,
Right.
I would never teach some garbage like that at Easton University, right? It should be examples like who you are, how you're connected. You're like, well, I'm making cold calls. How am I connected to that person? Use your dome. Right? Like if you were in business services or payroll, you and I are connected because I manage all of our mid-sized business operations in, Iowa, right? Hey, I wanted to reach out to you personally because there's something that every hiring manager is having to deal with. Nobody's talking about it. I'm on my mobile. Be more skillful when you're calling people. Don't use tricks. Don't be clever. Don't be funny. They're never going to take you serious if you start the conversation using a trick, being clever, or being funny. You should show them that you have a connection with them, that you are trustworthy, and that this conversation is going to be helpful to them, whether they do business with you or not. That's how you be successful.
What can you do to prove to people that Easton University can help them double their income in 90 days?
I'll prove it right now. Closing Masterclass. I'll buy it for you. $300. Link in my bio. I will show you how to close. This will double your closing percentage. Not even 90 days. It will double it within 30 days. Now, here's the thing. Is your income going to double? Probably not, because you still need to prospect. You still need to put those deals in your pipeline. But if you click the link in my bio, you will learn how to close right here, right now, and you're going to close those deals that are already in your pipeline.